Now, let me provide you with more details regarding how to use Manjaling, as well as all the benefits you would enjoy when you use Manjaling. Using Manjaling is simple and easy. You just need to tap the card every time you board the bus. With our single tap system, you are not required to tap the card again when you alight. The bus fare will be deducted automatically only at your first step, and the fare for your entire journey will be charged. Upon tapping, you will be able to check the details of your transactions. There will be two amounts showing in the screen. The amount on top shows the amount charged, and the amount at the bottom shows the balance in your card. Traveling to Singapore frequently might be costly, but with Manjaling, it helps to save money once you start using it. Moreover, you will not waste your money by paying extra. By using Manjaling, it helps to avoid miscommunication with the bus driver. Just board the bus, tap the card, and take a seat. At the start of Manjaling's implementation, top-up rebates, which provides you with additional points when you top up, will be introduced. This will be displayed at our counter. Now let me explain about the single tap system. Tap when you're bored. You will only pay once at the start of your journey. When you travel from Bukit Indah, you would need to tap only once at the start of your journey, and your entire fare will be deducted. When alighting at CIQ, tap when you board the bus, and a free ride will be indicated at the reader with no fare charged. Likewise, when you arrive at Singapore Tuas checkpoint, tap upon boarding the bus, and once again, free ride will be indicated with no fare charged. And just alight when you reach your final destination at Jurong East or Boon Lay. Passengers boarding from CIQ will need to tap once, and the entire fare for the entire journey to the end of the line will be deducted. If you still have any problem in understanding this card, just refer to the instruction guide within your starter pack, or go online for further information. Now let's see how to confirm whether or not the transaction is successful when you tap. When the green indicator light flashes, it indicates a good tap. That means you have successfully validated your card. When the indicator flashes red, it indicates insufficient value tap. That means you need to reload your Manjaling and you should pay by cash. If the indicator is red, this also indicates an invalid tap, and you will need to tap the card again. We understand that many of us already carry a lot of cards, such as our identity card, credit cards, debit cards, etc. So, will it be troublesome looking for your Manjaling card when you board the bus? The answer is no. You can put your Manjaling together with your other cards in the wallet. It won't affect the usage of the card. Even if you put the Manjaling in the card cover, card holder, or wallet, as long as the thickness is within 4 inches, you will be able to tap your card. Should there be a case of a bus breakdown, you will not need to tap off when you alight the bus. You would just need to tap when you board a new bus, and free ride will be indicated at the reader when you tap on another bus traveling on the same route in the same direction. If you are looking for more information, please log on to www.manjaling.com.my or call the helpline at +607 360 2244.